Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to another stock analysis video, and in this video I'm going to share 6 stocks that you can trade tomorrow. So let's get started. First, as you can see, this is Tata Motors. This is the 15 minutes time frame of Tata Motors. And as you can see, after a big bullish rally, it has been consolidating in this range for a while now. And we can also see a support level over here, and we can see a trend line also, right? So what we can do is we can wait for it to close below this level. Once it closes below this level, I think a short entry can be taken, and we can consider this level as our first short target and this level as our second short target. Okay. Now once it breaks this trend line and sustains above, a long entry can be taken, and we can consider this level as a long target. I'll just check how big this is. Okay, perfect. Okay, so we can consider this level as a long target. If it closes above the trend line, we can take a long entry, and this can be a long target. If it closes below, and then we can take a short entry, and we can consider these two levels as a target. Yeah, even this level is enough for intraday. Okay, so moving on to the next one, what do we have over here? We have Jubilant Foodworks. Okay, so something. Okay, we do have a level over here, right? We have a level over here. Do we also have a trend line? We have a trend line also, and then here also, right? So what we can do is we can wait for it to break out. Once it breaks out above, we can take a long entry, and we can consider this level as our first target. I'll just check how big this is. 2%. 2% is quite big for intraday, so what we can do is we can consider this level as our first target. This is the first target, and this is the second target. Once it breaks down, closes below this level, I think we can consider this level as our final target for Jubilant Foodworks. Okay, very simple. It is on at a crucial level. As you can see, this is the horizontal level. It's a very crucial level. It is also on trend line. So trade can be taken after breakout on either side. If it breaks down from below, a short entry can be taken, and you can consider this level as a short target. If it breaks out from above, a long entry can be taken. You can consider this level as a long target, and this as a final long target. Okay, moving on to the next one. What do we have over here? We have ITC. ITC, as you can see, we can draw a level over here, right? And it has been also consolidating in this range. So see, for a long side, I wouldn't really recommend taking any. I wouldn't really recommend anyone taking a long trade before this level. Do we have a trend line here? Okay, okay, okay. So a long trade, for if you want to take a long trade, you can take a long trade after it closes above the trend line. After it breaks the trend line and sustains above, a long entry can be taken, and you can simply consider this level as a long target. I'll just check how big this is. 1% target is enough for intraday. Okay, and for short side, once it closes below this level, a short entry can be taken, and you can just consider this level as your short target. Okay, very simple trade. Both side entry can be taken, but the short side looks much better to me as compared to the long side. So if it breaks down, then great. Moving on to the next one, we have Aurobindo Pharma. Okay, as you can see, it has not been able to close above this level, right? And it has also been consolidating in this range for a while now. So again, like I always say, box breakouts are my favorite. So what we can do is we can wait for it to break out. Once it breaks out from the top, a long entry can be taken. This looks like a level, but I think this is a very big level for intraday. 2% not that big. Okay, we can consider this as a level. Okay, once the stock hits this level, we can bring our stop loss to break even, so that just in case it reverses from here, we are not going to end up in losses. We'll end up in break even. Okay, and for short side, if it closes below this level, a short entry can definitely be taken. We can consider this level as a short target. Okay, moving on to the next one, we have Bajaj Finance. Okay, it is still in this range, right? It has not been able to break out. So the more the consolidation, the stronger the breakout. Always remember this. Okay, and once it breaks out on top, what we can do is we can take a long entry, and we can consider this level as a long target. I'll just check. Yes, perfect. 1.5% okay for intraday. If it closes below this level, we can definitely take a short entry and we can consider this level as a short target. Okay. Moving on to the last one, we have BPCL. Okay. I'll just check for a trend line. No, there will be. We can consider this as a pole and this as a flag, right? For me, I think the short side looks much better than the long side here. Okay, this can be considered as the pole, right? This one can be considered as the pole and this one as the flag. Okay, so what we can do is once it closes below this level, a short entry can be taken and we can consider this level as our short target. Perfect, 1.4% perfect for intraday. And for long side, just in case you want to take a long trade, what we can do is, okay, we can wait for it to close above this level. Once it close, I'll just remove this one. Once it closes above this level, I think a long entry can be taken and we can consider this as our first target and this as our final target, okay, for long side. So this is it for the analysis, guys. I've shared 6 stocks that you can trade tomorrow for intraday. I hope you liked it and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.